Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see the title, I am about to go to the Dodge dealership right here in Tomball. And guys, we're gonna take a look at the Ram TRX. Man, I am freaking excited, guys. I know you guys are too. Ram TRX full review. We're gonna go check it out and see what the hype is all about. Before the video even gets started, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment what you guys think my reactions are gonna be. Without further ado, let me hop in the car and let's head out. Let's go.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020.
All right, y'all, we just got to the dealership right now. I'm waiting for my friend to come out. He's a salesman over here. Man, this thing looks good. Let me show you guys. Man, I can't wait to get in this thing. It's crazy. So first things first, this thing is sitting really tall. This is crazy. I'm 5'8" and it's taller than me for sure. Y'all see that? Yeah, this thing is crazy. It's on some 325, 65 18s, some good years. Yeah, this is a big boy right here. Man, I've seen videos on YouTube about it, but I haven't really like understood how big this thing is until I'm right here. As you guys know, the TRX has the Hellcat motor 6.2, and then this thing actually, you know, leaves too, man. This thing got a lot of power in it. I'm gonna show you guys more whenever we get the keys and we take a look at the inside. Those wheels are crazy, man.
Oh yeah.
Y'all see this right here, Ram TRX. Yo, this is nice. You got that flat steering wheel right there.
The suede inserts.
Yeah, with the suede on it, huh? Oh yeah, I see that.
Red
That's
stitching.
crazy. Red stitching right there. Look at that big screen though.
11.5-inch screen.
Dang. And look at the moonroof, right? That's what they call it?
Yeah, panoramic.
Panoramic sunroof. That's nice. Yo, this thing is crazy.
Armored carding speakers.
Armored carding, that thing sounds good, I bet. Launch edition.
Yeah.
Dang, this is nice. Yo, this thing, I really want to know like how this thing feels though.
It's smooth, bro.
Yeah.
And the whine, you would think you're not gonna hear as much. It's a truck. It's just like the Hellcat.
It still whines crazy?
It whines like crazy.
Dang, this is nice.
Yeah. You got the WeatherTech guard mats.
WeatherTech mats. Yo, this is actually luxury right here, in a freaking fast truck at the same time. This is nice. You got that launch mode right there. It looks like
Yeah, launch mode.
axle lock, and then I'm sure over here you can change the drive modes too.
Yeah.
That shifter is crazy. Y'all see that? Dang. This thing is nice, man. Yo, it's like, I mean, you can live here. That's how big this thing is.
It's huge, bro. It's so big.
Y'all see that? You can literally slip back there and everything.
I mean, literally, you can just lift the seats up, and there you go. You can put a bed right there, pretty much.
Dang. That's nice. Yeah, this thing is crazy, man. Congratulations to the guy who got this. Yeah, this truck is already bought, guys. So we can only, you know, we can only look. We can take her out for a spin. It already has an owner. This thing is nice. Damn. That's how the back seats look like. Over here you got the big Harman Kardon speaker.
If you lift up the mat, you have some ram bins, one on each side. So that's gonna be storage compartment right there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Dang.
You open that up, you'll
storage.
Yep.
Oh, I see that. You can put something in there.
Put some ice.
Yo, this is huge.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah. I don't know the video. I've seen videos online, right? I've seen videos on YouTube, but it doesn't show how big this is over here.
You got so much leg room.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
What?
And you can notice you got speakers literally right above your head.
Yeah, we got them speakers right there. Dang. This is nice. I like the carbon fiber accents too.
Yeah. Yeah, add some touch to it.
These seats, I've never felt seats like this before. You know what kind of material this is?
It's just gonna be your regular Mopar leather.
Yeah.
It's not like the Laramie Longhorn that has a special leather.
Oh, okay.
It's just gonna be your regular Mopar leather with the suede inserts and then the rest stitching.
Dang, that's nice, man.
Yeah, man. It's a complete luxury feel to it.
And that's the crazy thing. It's crazy fast. You know, you got the Hellcat motor in here.
Yeah.
So it's like, man, Dodge is killing it out here. You got the luxury and the power.
Yep.
The same
People
time.
always say Chargers suck because you pay all that money for the engine and then you get in the inside and it's kind of lacking a little bit. But this, they completely did.
Dang.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like this right here. I like the panoramic sunroof.
The whole roof panel, I mean.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Dang. This is nice. Definitely a good truck to buy. If you guys are shopping for these, for sure get it because
Investment.
yeah,
I mean, you can make a lot of money with this truck.
you can't beat it.
This one already has your tire set up, so you can put your spare tire right there.
Dang.
And then this one has your ram bar as well.
The ram bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
The ram bar came with the launch edition, but it is optional. Some people like it, some don't.
Okay. So yeah, so it's the launch edition, so it has those little touches too.
Yeah.
Hey, it's crazy, man. You got the remote start?
Yeah, I can try to see if we can do a cold start on it.
Yeah.
And you can see right there that the shocks, I mean, are just crazy.
I saw that. So this is the whole design, the whole thing, just for this truck, huh?
Yeah.
It looks like.
Literally just for this truck.
Dang, active terrain dynamics, TRX branding on there. So yeah, this is just for this right here. You can't get it anywhere else. Dang. Yeah, this thing is, it's not even filling the whole camera like angle, man. This thing is crazy. Dang, man. Yeah, if I would want to hear that cold start.
Yeah, I got you.
That'd be crazy.
Here we go, sir.
All right. Got that cold start. That thing is crazy. For stock, it still sounds pretty good. And then this has all the options pretty much, huh?
Pretty much, yeah, because it's going to be the launch edition.
Yeah, so we got that launch edition. Those are all the options right there. The total price $96,880. But you get the money worth out of that for sure. This thing is insane. Dang. Yeah, this is nice. And 12 miles per gallon too.
Yeah, bro, you'd be surprised.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, that was it for today's video. Ram TRX. Just a quick look around, you know, interior, exterior. We cannot drive the car, of course, because somebody already bought it in California, so it already has an owner. That's why we can't drive it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. He will definitely hit me up. His name is Victor. I'm gonna put his information right here if you guys want to buy a car. And you're over here in Houston, Texas, Tomball area. You can always drop by, tell him Ted Like sent you, you know, and get you a car. Tomball Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Ram. Man, this place is nice. They have a lot of cool cars. I told him next time they have a Hellcat to let me know so I can come in and check it out. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.